Okay, so let's proceed with case 3. So case 3 is for g of x is equal to h to the n of x, where hn of x is an nth degree polynomial in x. So again, it can be polynomial in t. It depends kung anong ginamit nating independent variable. So yp is equal to ax to the n plus bx to the n minus 1, cx to the n minus 2, so on and so forth, p of x plus q hanggang sa maubos yung exponent natin. So n tas n minus 1 minus 2 hanggang sa maubos x to the 1 hanggang maging x to the 0. Where a, b, c, d, e, f, g hanggang p and q are constants to be determined. So ibig sabihin, the greater is the degree, of course, the greater is the number of arbitrary constants or the undetermined coefficients na isosolve natin. So let us try this example. So you have here t squared minus 2t plus 3. Ang ating nasa right side of the equation, that is an nth degree polynomial in x. So d squared minus 4d plus 1y. So this is second order. So gagawin lang natin m squared minus 4m plus 1 is equal to 0. So that's m squared minus 4m. Transposing that, so that's negative 1. So you add 4, you add 4. So we have here m minus 2 raised to the second power is equal to 3. Then you have here m minus 2 is equal to plus minus square root of 3. Then m is equal to 2 plus minus square root of 3. So m1 is equal to 2 plus square root of 3. m2 is 2 minus square root of 3. So this is not complex conjugate kasi wala naman tayong imaginary number. So this is distinct real roots. So that's case 1 ng ating homogeneous solution. So y is c is equal to c1 e to the 2 plus square root of 3 t plus c2 e to the 2 minus square root of 3 t. So that will be our general solution for yc. So let's proceed with our yp. So again, ang yp natin ay h to the n of x. So polynomial in x, degree 2. So ang ating yp is at squared plus bt plus c. So there are 3 arbitrary constants or constants to be determined. So let's try to rewrite our given. Oh. So meron tayong y double prime minus 4y prime plus 1 times y is equal to t squared minus 2t plus 3. And then you have yp is equal to at squared plus bt plus c. So again, lagyan lang natin ng subscript na p. And then we solve yp prime equals 280 plus b. Yp double is 2a. So substituting to our equation, you have 2a minus 4 times yp prime, and that's 280 plus b plus c. I mean plus our yp is 80 squared plus bt plus c is equal to t squared minus 2t plus 3. Then 2a minus 880 minus 4b. Distributing this 4 there, plus 80 squared plus bt plus c is t squared minus 2t plus 3. So again, using equating coef, so the highest exponent appearing is squared. So lahat ng may t squared sa kaliwa, equate natin sa lahat ng may t squared sa kanan. So a, wala, a equals 1. So the value of a is equal to 1. Then for t, wala ito. So negative 8a. B, wala, plus bt, that's b, equals negative 2. So substituting negative 8 times the value of a is 1 plus b is negative 2. So this is negative 8 transpose is positive 8 minus 2 is 6. So B is 6. Then for constant term, 2A minus 4B, wala. N plus C is equal to 3. Then 2A is 2 times 1 minus 4 times 6 plus C is equal to 3. So this is 2 minus 24 plus C is equal to 3. This is negative 22 transpose 25. So C is 25. So therefore, our YP is T squared plus 60 plus 25. So that will be our YP. So therefore, Y is equal to YC plus YP. Y is equal to our YC. What's our YC here? YC is C1 e to the 2 square root of 3. So Y is C1 e to the 2 plus square root of 3p plus C2 e to the 2 minus square root of 3p plus Y is P, that is T squared plus 60 plus 25. So this will be our general solution. So i-clear lang natin. Clear nga natin to. So clear natin, magiging plus 60 plus 25. So ito yung plus 60 plus 25, ito yung plus 60 plus 25. So hindi na yung A, hindi na yung C. Let us check. So the answer must be B. So meron kasi tayo nitong exponent. So the answer is letter B. Okay, let's continue. So example number 2, we have y double prime plus 4y prime plus 8y is 8t to the 4th plus 16t cubed minus 12t squared minus 24t minus 6. All conditions are set to 0. So dapat lahat ng ibig sabihin, y prime of 0 is 0, when x is 0, y prime is 0, y is 0, y double prime is 0, y triple prime ay 0, so on and so forth. So that is what is this condition set to 0. So kapag ka ang x ay 0, y is 0, y prime is also 0. So yun yung sinasabi nitong all conditions are set to 0. So again, this is m squared plus 4m plus 8 equals 0. So you have m squared plus 4m is equal to negative 8. You need to add 4. Add 4. M plus 2 raised to the second power is negative 4. So m is equal to negative 2 plus minus 2i. So if I'm going to take the square root, so magiging m plus 2 transpose to the right, negative 2 plus minus 2i. So a is negative 2. B is positive 2. So YC here is equal to C1 cosine 2t plus C2 sine 2t e to the minus 2t. So minus. So rewrite lang natin. So YC is e to the minus 2t, C1 cosine 2t plus C2 sine 2t. So that will be our YC. So for YP, so since degree 4 siya, so that's 80 to the 4 plus BT cubed plus CT square plus DT plus E. So ibig sabihin, there are 5 constants to be solved. So again, ang given natin ay y double prime plus 4y prime plus 8y is equal to 80 to the 4th plus 16t cubed minus 12t square minus 24t minus 6. So lagyan natin ng subscript, subscript, subscript. So what's yp prime? That's 4at cubed plus 3bt squared plus 2ct plus d. Yp double prime is 12at squared plus 6bt plus 2c, derivative of d is 0. Substituting, magkakaroon tayo dito ng 12at squared plus 6bt plus 2c. So that's the value of yp double plus 4 yp prime. That's 4at cubed. Ito yung isa-substitute natin. Plus 3bt squared plus 2ct plus d. That's 4y prime plus 8yp. So that is 8 times the quantity, 80 to the 4th plus bt cubed plus ct squared plus dt plus e equals 80 to the 4th plus 16t cubed minus 12t squared minus 24t minus 6. So, i-distribute natin lahat. That is 12at squared plus 6bt plus 2c plus 16at cubed plus 12bt squared. So, distributing this 4, you have plus 8ct plus 4d, then plus 8 at to the 4, distributing 8, you have plus 8bt cubed plus 8ct squared plus 8dt plus 8e equals 8t to the 4th. Copy lang natin yung nasa right side minus 24t minus 6. So let us try. So ito na yung ating working equation. So using equating coefficient for t to the 4th tayo muna. Lahat ng t to the 4th. T to the 4th, wala, this one. So this is the only t to the 4th on the left side. So that's 8a equals 8. Then the value of a is 1. Then t cubed. Lahat ng t cubed dito, wala 16a, 8b, 8b equals 16. So since a is equal to 1, 16 times 1 is 16, transpose b is 0. So the value of b is 0. Punta tayo kay t squared. T squared. Lahat ng may t squared, bilugan ko muna. Lahat ng may d's ng t squared, bilugan natin. Ito, checka na lang. T squared, t squared, t squared, then negative 12. So that's 12a plus 12b plus 8c equals negative 12. So ang value ng a natin ay 1, ang value ng b ay 0. So b is 0, 12 is a, transpose natin, magiging 8c is negative 24. Then c is negative 3. And let's proceed with the next. So t naman. Lahat ng may t, bilugan. 6b, 8t, 8b. Again, 6bt, 8ct, 8dt. And then you have negative 24t. So that's 6b. Then 8c. Then 8b. Equals negative 24. The value of b is 0. The value of c is negative 3. So 8 times negative 3 plus 8d is negative 24. This is negative 24 transposed to the right is positive, so magka-cancel out lang sila. Then d is 0. Then for constant term, para sa constant, gawin naman nating green. Constant, 2c. So 2c, 4d, 8e, then positive 6. 2c plus 4d plus 8e equals negative 6. The value of c is negative 3, so that's 2 times negative 3. The value of d is 0. This is plus 8e equals negative 6. Negative 6 transpose there is 0, then e is also 0. Therefore, our yp at to the fourth plus bt cubed plus ct squared plus dt plus e. A is 1, so yp is equal to e to the fourth. B is 0, d is 0, e is 0. Then this is negative 3t squared. So that's our yp. So therefore, y is equal to yc plus yp. So ano ang ating yc? E to the minus 2t, e to the minus 2t, c1 cosine 2t plus c2 sine 2t plus t to the fourth minus 3t squared. So that will be our general solution. But then again, meron tayong initial condition. So let me rewrite the general solution. Y is e to the minus 2t c1 cosine 2t plus c2 sine 2t plus t to the fourth minus 3t squared. Yes. So, setting all the conditions 0, y is 0, x is 0. So 0 is e to the 0, c1 cosine 0 plus c2 sine 0, 0 to the fourth minus 3 times 0 squared. T is 0 because I used t, not x. So 0, 0, 0, 1, c1 is 0. Then for y prime, substituting or solving for y prime, that's e to the minus 2t. Derivative nito is negative 2c1 sine 2t plus derivative nito is 2c2 cosine 2t plus 4t cubed minus 6t. So there is an initial condition, y prime is 0, t is also 0. So 0 e to the 0, negative 2c1 sine 0 plus 2c2 cosine 0 plus 4 times 0 minus 6 times 0. C2 is also 0 because this is 0, 0, 0, 0. So C2 is also 0 because cosine 0 is 1. So 0 divided by 2 here is also 0. So therefore, ang ating from our general solution, y is equal to e to the minus 2t c1 cosine 2t plus c2 sine 2t plus t to the fourth minus 3t squared. C1 is 0, C2 is 0. So therefore, y is equal to t to the fourth minus 3t squared. So this will be our particular solution. Or y is equal to t squared minus 3. So that will be our particular solution. So finding the answer, you have p squared minus 3. P squared minus 3. So that is letter E is our final answer.